My name is Zuzana Podracka. I am doing an MA in Modern European History in the Department of History and Welsh History here in Aberystwyth, and I originally come from Slovakia. I've had an interest in modern history probably since ever. That's always been my area of interest, and I like the way the MA Modern European History was structured. I liked the mixture of research training and core module, and I liked the choice of optional modules, so it was ideal for me, really. At master's level, it hits you a lot harder at first, but then you realise, well, no, I better put my head down and get to work. So you learn to be very, very disciplined and very, very motivated. It was such an informal, relaxed atmosphere when you get to mix with, other master's students, other PhD students, and mainly the members of staff and obviously lecturers, that it just makes you feel like, yes, you are part of the postgraduate community. There is no sort of dividing between you're a master's student, these are master's students, these are PhDs, and these are lecturers. No, we're all part of the postgraduate community, and all we want to do is exchange ideas and talk about stuff. Aberystwyth is a smaller university than some of the universities I've applied to and I've been to, and it's a smaller town. Unless you're a big city person who can't stand that sort of thing, you will find it very comforting to know that everywhere you turn there are people you know and people who are prepared to help you. And that's something that I very much found in the department. Because you have taken the extra step, because you actually really want to work with the material and really want to engage with the field, lecturers have much more time for you. That's not to say that they don't have time for you as an undergraduate, but you need a lot more guidance as a postgraduate. And as far as my tutor, Ali Williams, is concerned, he's absolutely fantastic. When I was sort of confused about the way I was going to write my essay at undergraduate level, I would go to my tutor, we would discuss some of the core points, and I would walk away, with a reasonably clear mind, cleared up essay plan, and I could go on and write it. When I went to see my tutor with my first master's level, I went to him with some ideas, and he said, yes, those ideas are good, but instead of sort of clearing those ideas up for me, he gave me more ideas. So I walked away even more confused than I was, just with more interesting ideas. So that's what I think masters really is about. You need to think for yourself and see really what you can make of the source material, make of the literature, and how your own thinking and your own interest fits within the field, rather than just absorbing what is already out there. The more I study, though, the more I think I would like to head towards an academic career. I'm currently in the process of applying for a PhD. I have my PhD interview today. So hopefully I will get to stay here and do further postgraduate research. My main advice with masters, embrace it with all that comes with it. Be prepared to work hard, but don't forget to let yourself enjoy it.